Hello, this is Ms. Vias from Golad Elementary. I'm a third grade math teacher, and the last video we subtracted across zeros and we added up on a number line to see the difference between two numbers. Today we'll go ahead and subtract it across zeros again, but this time subtract on a number line to find the difference between the two numbers. So let's say we have 500 minus 224. We've learned that you can take this part right here, borrow from that, which gives us 49. Remember, that's one less. This now becomes 10. 10 minus 4 in the ones place would be 6. 9 minus 2 in the tens place would be 7. And 4 minus 2 would be 2, 276. You also learned in the last video that you can add up with 224 to 500. Find a friendly number. I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I know that 224 plus 6 will get me to 230. And that's a number I can work better with. And if I add another 70, because 30 and 70 make a next 100, I'll get to 300. Then one more 100, I'll get to 400. And one more 100 and I will get to 500. And normally what I would try to do is to make the 100 jumps bigger than all the other ones. So I have 100 plus 100 plus 70 plus 60 equals 276 spaces I moved up to find the difference between 500 and 224. So now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract on the number line to see how you can do that and know how to go backwards. So I have 500 is where we're starting from, and we're trying to get over here to 224. Again, I'm going to try to find a friendly number. I know that I can take away 100. That's a pretty easy transition. You go backwards and you make sure you put what you minus. That gets me to 400. I can go backwards one more 100. Subtract that and I'll get to 300. Now I'm going to go from 300 to 224. I'm going to try to get as close to 224 as I can with a friendly number. So if I make that again to 230, I know I can subtract 70. And you see how my 70 jump is just not as big as my 100 jumps. And then from 230 to 224, it's just minus 6 to get that way. And again, I went back 100. I went back 100 more. I went back 70, and I went back 6 spaces to wind up with 276 spaces. That's the difference between 224 and 500. So now you know how to add on a number line and subtract on a number line. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps.